What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG. It is a beautiful Monday morning. The sun is shining. It's 8 degrees outside, so it's getting a little bit colder now. We're pretty much slowly but surely preparing for winter. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update about the car. We now have 198,666 kilometers. Ooh, 3 sixes. Very, very bad. Just kidding, it's not bad, it means nothing. So, yeah, the car is getting really close to 200,000 kilometers, and, you know, we've always said, oh, when it gets to 200, we're gonna rebuild the engine, and we're gonna put a supercharger on it, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do that. But the thing is, I don't think it's really worth it to do it. Like, what is the point to buy a used or, like, you know, brand new long block for like $6,000, then spend another $3,000 or $4,000 whatever on pistons and rods, and then another $1,000 or $2,000 on bolts and gaskets and seals and washers and this and that, and then another 10,000 US for a supercharger. Like, I don't think it's worth it. It just doesn't make sense to do all of that, because, well, at least for me, at the end of the day, what's the point? Do I really need more power? Like, the car's got 545 horsepower, something around there, to the engine. So it's fast. It's really quick. So do I really need more? I don't really think so. It's more than enough. Like, am I trying to get 800? Not really. The thing is, I've driven a lot of fast cars, like McLarens, like twin turbo McLarens that have, you know, tunes and downpipes. They make like 800, 900 horsepower. And I've driven, you know, Aventadors and twin turbo Huracans and Gallardos, whatever you want to call them. And really fast twin turbo Ferraris. So, to be honest with you guys, I don't know if it's really worth it to do it. Because what am I going to get out of it? Just more horsepower? It's not really worth it. It's not worth it. Like, if I want more horsepower, I'll just jump into another car and drive another car. This car is just for my daily driving, just for my enjoyment. I think that was kind of the whole point of this car, just to kind of keep it forever. Just hold on to it for as long as possible, and then eventually pass it on as a family heirloom. So, are we going to supercharge the car? Are we going to rebuild the engine? Unless it's absolutely absolutely necessary, like we 100% need to do it, like, you know, the engine is like starts to knock or something like that, then yeah, sure. But just for the hell of it, it doesn't make sense. I don't see why. Like, recently the water pump failed, the thermostat failed. Yeah, we had to fix that. We had to replace it. Then, you know, the brake light was not visible, so we had to change that out, because that's part of safety. And, you know, when I was younger, I didn't really care a lot about safety, but now, you know, guys, safety is very important. You have to be very, very careful. You have to drive carefully. You have to make sure that the car is always safe, always functioning properly. So, yeah, we gotta do stuff like that. So, I think moral of the story is, we're just gonna fix stuff if it breaks. We're not gonna start overly modifying the car more than it needs to be. Because also, at the end of the day, elephant in the room, I think everybody kind of feels it. The whole entire world is headed toward like some sort of recession, depression, you know, economic collapse or problems. So what sense does it make for me to take some money and invest it into this car when we should realistically be battening down the hatches? It's funny how it should. Battening down the hatches and preparing for the worst, because that is what's coming, unfortunately. And nobody likes to admit it, but it's just a fact. This is just how our system works. And again, I love cars, but I also love economics a lot, so I really do understand how everything works. And the simple fact is, in the world, there is too much collateral and not enough cash. So too much credit, not enough cash. But money is cash. But money is also credit. All money is credit now at this point. So there's too much credit, not enough cash. But what happens when the credit comes due? You gotta pay it off with cash. There's not enough cash to pay off the credit. So you gotta keep growing the credit to have enough cash to pay off the credit. You get it? It's complicated, but anyways, if you don't really understand how economics works, it's really simple. Basically, you have to keep growing the money supply basically infinitely to keep paying off the debts of yesterday. So right now, nobody can. You can't just keep inflating stuff away, because then inflation is going to be crazy high, and then we're going to have hyperinflation, and nobody wants that. And you know, governments and politicians and private sector is really worried about that, because then your money's worthless, and all of this is what are we really doing it for? You guys kind of get it. It's a little bit weird. Anyways, it just doesn't make sense for me to start throwing money into this car for just for the heck of it. So anything, need my coffee. If something breaks, we will fix it. We will make a video about it. That's for sure. That's good. If something breaks, we'll fix it. But otherwise, it just doesn't make sense. I'm not gonna do it. So what are we gonna do instead? Nothing. We'll just enjoy the car. We'll keep driving it. We'll go for some road trips. Do videos like this. I'll keep vlogging. We're gonna do a couple of exhaust videos and stuff like that, because we've been recently doing a lot of exhausts, and I would really love to share all that with you guys, so you guys can see what kind of exhausts different kind of cars can create. And that's pretty much it. Like, there's no sense to start doing crazy stuff in a time of there's no point to do crazy stuff in times of uncertainty. In times of uncertainty, you have to just kind of, you know, take a little breather and figure out what is important. And what's important now is just to take it easy and not make these grandiose plans about this car and this and that. I'm gonna just take it easy. But I will definitely make videos about the economic side of everything, of what's going on in Canada, what's going on in the world, because I love that. And hey, it's something that I want to do. If you guys enjoy watching it, then sure, please watch. If you don't. But that's what I'm going to keep doing. In the meanwhile, I will finish up my coffee. There's a lot of traffic as always. But yeah, as I said in the previous video, spoiler is here. Carbon diffuser is hopefully coming very shortly, so we're gonna have a video about that. And yeah, winter is coming. Like, yo, like everybody can feel it. It's 4.5 degrees outside now. Like, I drove a little bit, and it's a lot colder now. So we know winter is coming. We're gonna have to get some rear winter tires. My fronts are still good, but the rears for my winter wheels are, well, they're pretty bald, and one of them has a big bulge on the side of it, so definitely not safe. Wouldn't want to be driving around like that. Anyways, this traffic is a little bit too slow for my liking, so let's take a little detour. Oh yeah, the sun is absolutely beautiful outside. So we are gonna drive this car the way that it's meant to be driven. It's definitely not as light and nimble as a McLaren or a supercar, so you can't really throw it around as smoothly as any other car. It's like a big boat, but it's my big boat, and I love it. But it definitely picks up and moves pretty quickly, and you can pass people. Acceleration is great. The turning is pretty good too. It's just it's really heavy. If it was like 1,000 pounds lighter, well, if it was 1,000 pounds lighter, honestly, we'd have to strip the entire interior and everything and put like carbon bucket seats, and pretty much it would need to have like nothing in it. That would be the only way to make it super agile. Then the acceleration would be even faster. Turning would be even faster. and the braking would be like absolutely phenomenal. Like right now with these carbon ceramic brakes, it brakes very, very, very good. But, oh, Mazda decided to brake check me. Brakes very good, but it could be a little bit better because honestly, it's about the weight. The weight is quite a lot. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna keep making videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.